going to Reno. That's where I'm going today. Silver Legacy Resort in Reno. Going for Torchmate training. Look at that sunrise. It doesn't get any better than that. It's hard to be at work when there's this beautiful of things going on outside. Whew. So I'm supposed to be starting a diet today, but I don't really feel like it. So I think I'm gonna get some Ike's Place sandwiches in Chico because I gotta check it out and see if it's any good. Probably not the best thing for me to eat. Got melted cheese and all kinds of good stuff on it. Probably not a good idea. Ooh, you know what I'll do? I'll do half. I'll only eat half. Good idea. See you on Thursday?
No. That's too long.
Yeah? You say bye to camera?
Bye, camera.
Say bye, puppy.
Oh, where's the puppy?
He's inside.
Why?
So just put him in.
Oh. He's running around? I haven't seen his... Hi! What you doing, huh? Oh, you had toys? I think you're doing okay.
Hi. Hey, come here.
Little beetles are everywhere.
Come here.
Hi, you guys say bye-bye.
You be the man of the house? You be a good boy? Hi. Love you. Ah. You good, okay? About to be doing some driving. A lot of driving. Again. After 3 days in the car, the last thing I want to do is drive more, but I'm going to have to drive some more today. Bye. We do this one.
Safe.
We do this one.
We do this one.
Bye.
Drive safe.
Okay. You can see me off? You see me off?
Yes. I close the gates anyway. Oh.
View.
Have fun.
It is always really hard leaving them. I do love them more than anything. This one's to you, babe. I love you. Alright, hitting the road. You know what that means? Drive time lapse. Just hitting Grass Valley. I've been on the road too much the last 4 days. It's gonna be nice to be somewhere for 3 days straight, and then I'm gonna have to drive back. Real fast, I'm making my descent down into Reno, and it's just such a beautiful scenic view. I had to share it with all of you. 10 more minutes to go. I'm so tired. Driving takes it out of me. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Might be like the Donner Party. I just don't have anyone to eat. So we're here in beautiful Reno. Made it to Reno. This is my hotel room. Nothing too exciting. King bed, TV. Got a cool view. Hotel room. I won like $70, something like that. Awesome.